Hey, yeah, hey, hope all is well again. Hope y'all are having a great day. This is a little late night. I was going to do this live, but I guess I'm on the wrong phone. I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, so I have a client who wants me to do an interesting task. I get these sometimes often, sometimes not, but this is an interesting one. So they have this sack. Well, it's not a sack. It's a sleeper. I believe it's called a sleeper. Um, so they have this sleeper. It's really cute. I like how roomy it is and big. It's custom done. It has, I guess the person's name, or no, I guess it's just a blanket that they've had, or a little piece or something they've had before. And what they would like is, because they like the feel of it, how warm it is, and how like soft. It's really soft. It's like almost I would call it a jersey knit. I would read the sign, but it doesn't tell me the size. It just tells me made in China, but it doesn't tell me the material. But I'm almost sure it's a jersey knit. It may even be it's not brushed, but it kind of feel like a brushed jersey knit. But they have this, and what they want me to do is to actually turn this into like a mini blanket. So it's pretty large. So this will be, maybe they will treat it more like, if you've ever seen the Peanuts before, where Linus carried around that blanket forever, dusty, looking dusty. So I am going to actually do basically the same to this. I think I figured out what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it, because it's actually double layered. With it being double layered, that's actually a benefit, so that I can put most of the seams on the inside and I'll treat it like a pillow. Since it has this little logo to the side, I will most likely, of course, take the zipper completely out, and there is gathering here. I'm gonna square it up as much as possible. It's not gonna completely be squared out, but I am gonna take the zipper completely out. But the easiest way, of course, when you're doing something like this, is basically to take all the seams out. I I think this will end up towards the edge. It won't be where I thought I was going to put it at, but I'll put it towards the edge and square it out as much as possible. Well, it's not going to be square. It's going to be a kind of oblong. I don't know. We'll see. So this is the start of this project. Don't know how long it's going to take, because we want to be delicate with it so I can use as much of it as possible. So I will be popping as many stitches as possible. Once I find a good spot to, I'm going to do that. So I'm probably not going to record all this, because taking it apart is going to be the most timely part. But I will make sure y'all see the finished product. Hopefully I can take and get it done in a day. And I say a day, for me, day is an 8-hour shift. Hopefully I can get it done in a day. All the work is actually going to be in me taking it apart mostly. So stay tuned for this finished project. I appreciate all those who have come along my journey of me and my sewing things and the things I love to do, play with, which is fabric. So stay tuned. If you haven't already liked or subscribed to my page, make sure you do both, so you can catch me on what adventure I'm going to go on next. I have a couple of them. This is a quick one, so I'm going to squeeze this one in here. But the next one, yeah, I got something for y'all. I got some. Just make sure you come back and check the videos. You'll see what it is. I'm excited about that one too. So anyway, I will catch you all later. Y'all have a wonderful day. I am Leslie of LesAnn Creations. Deuces.